This editorial is about cloudburst. An important question here is whether they are rising across India. The basic definition of cloudburst is given here. If the intensity of rainfall is greater than or equal to 10 centimeter, and if that happens within this area in an hour, then that can be called as a cloudburst. Even this called as a cloudburst because the effect is same. Where they are expected, Himalayan states, because they are hilly regions. Why hilly regions are experiencing more? The concept is explained here. If there is an upward movement of warm air current, the raindrops also move in the same direction. Over the time, new raindrops will form and the current ones gain the size. And this process leads to more and more raindrops formation, and at one instant the cloudburst can be triggered. This will lead to landslides and flash floods. You should know that the incident of cloudburst can happen in the higher latitudes, but the impact is felt more in the downstreams. Why? Because the landslides, flash floods impact more in the downstreams. So why hilly regions are more prone to cloudburst? Because the upward movement of warm air, this first point, is more facilitated in the hilly region. This is the most important point here. So when they are expected more, obviously monsoon times. So IMD, we should note that IMD cannot forecast cloudburst. Why? IMD does not forecast the intensity of rainfall, and also this is very small area. IMD does not do forecast for such small areas. Generally, it forecasts minimum a district level, and it says most in the best case it says extremely heavy rainfall can happen in next 6 to 12 hours. That is the best prediction what it can give. So what is needed to forecast cloudburst? Dense network of weather instruments and high computing power, which we don't have right now. And coming to the question whether these incidents are rising across India, the answer is yes, maybe rising. Why? If you remember, our monsoon times are characterized by dry spells and wet spells. These, for the past few years, what is being observed, these dry spells are increasing and wet spells, the time is reducing. Because of that, the intensity of rainfall is increasing. So within lesser period, there is huge rainfall. Because of this, cloudburst incidents are rising. So I repeat once again, the times of dry spells are increasing, the times of wet spells are decreasing. Because of that, there is a heavier or extreme rainfall events within less time, which is triggering cloudburst.